Greetings from Guatemala. This is Mike Pereira, VP of Ag Operations for SGB. And we're here at our VRM farm, Plantation Research Farm, to show you one of our promising new hybrids, 14 SGB 489P. What we have here is a planting of about 1 hectare, about 3,000 plants. We planted this trial on the 16th of December. And 45 days later we pruned it. It'll be the 30th of January. And then we had first flower here in this plot on the 7th of March, which is 80 days from planting. So here we are in the middle of the plot, and I wanted to take a little bit of time to show you the configuration for the density of 3,000 plants. So first here, in between rows, we have 2 meters. And if we move over this way, we can show you the spacing. So we have 2 rows with 2 meters in between those 2 rows, and then the next spacing is 3.5 meters. With the 3.5 meters, we can use equipment to be able to spray on both sides. Between plants now, over here, you can see that we have 1.25 meters. 1.25 meters is something we're using for this hybrid because of its upright, compact nature, but in some cases we'll use 1.5. But you can see right here, this density of 1.25 looks pretty good for this hybrid. Okay, so here we are. I wanted to show you the plant in a little bit more detail. Now you're seeing these plants at about 120 days. And what's really nice about this plant is you can see, this is our first floor. You can see the number of fruit that we have here. On average, in terms of our biometrics, we're averaging about 60 fruit on the first floor. You can see how even it is as you move around the plant. Here's another raceme, and if you look to the back of the plant, right here, we have another one. And what's very nice about this hybrid is that not only does it bifurcate, which is a good sign in and of itself, and you can see that most of the bearing stems have not only bifurcated, but they've trifurcated. So that gives us a little bit extra opportunity for fruit set. The other thing that we like about this hybrid is that from the first floor to the second floor here is not very far. And you can see already that we're getting some set here in the second floor of one of the stems, which itself has also bifurcated. So this kind of multiplies the opportunities for flowering. Okay, so now we're just taking a walk down the row here, so you can kind of see the uniformity that we see from plant to plant. And basically, although we're pretty early in the process, and we're just seeing the fruit set on the second floor, we estimate with this density and with the projected yields based upon flower counts in the higher floors, that likely this hybrid is probably going to be in the neighborhood of 6 to 7 tons per hectare the first year on a full year cycle. For a half year cycle, probably half of that.